Yep, so on this side for sure we have to run this ram horn. You see here it barely clears the fucking steering box, but it's gonna be golden. I just got a pipe cut and like bend the pipe from the Cadillac. We can probably bolt the exhaust on. That's how they're built. They look pretty good, they're painted. I should probably change the other side too. Yeah, shit. And if I put the other one, this exhaust pipe, it's gonna be easier to join it because this one's facing down and back. And this bitch is kind of more or less in the same ballpark as the center one. So I'm gonna do that and look cuter, I guess. Right? Let's paint it. The engine's kind of painted. I don't know.